we're going to talk about Ukiah Fire Pits, and it's one of our favorite propane fire pits that we sell here. It's modular, really easy to use, and has some really special features we'll talk about right now. This is the Ukiah Qube, very small and easy to use. Underneath here you have two inlets for your propane. You screw the propane in here, and then you can set it up, and it starts right up. You have this stainless steel burner in here, and you can enjoy your fire anytime you want without seeing the propane tank. This unit comes with a great lid. I guess you can sit on it. You can use it as a cutting board. It has Ukiah carved into it. We use this a lot. We cook marshmallows on it. It gives off a lot of heat. Has a really good controlled burn. It's really nice on your back porch. Kids gather around. Fire brings everything together. You can take it to a tailgate or a game, or anytime you want a little easy fire. This is the unit. The next one I want to talk about is the Ukiah X. The X is just like the Qube, except it's a little taller and it runs on a bigger propane tank. It connects with a gas line. You hook it up in there and you're like, well, that's pretty big. All fire pits are about the same size. This one's taller, more modular. You can fit it right in the back of your vehicle, and you can set stuff on top of it. It's easy. It doesn't tip over when there's kids around. It's taller, so you don't have to sit way down on the ground to get the heat off it. You can cook on it. This is very versatile and easy to use. You hook the propane to it, you click it, and you got a flame. Our last great Ukiah propane fire pit is the Tailgater II. Both of the X and the II have gravel inside of them. The only problem I see with the gravel is this lid has a magnet on it. It sticks down onto it, but if it does fall over, usually the lid can come off and the gravel goes everywhere. You use like a Perfect Bungee or something like that to strap it on top. It's a lid, so that works really well. The Ukiah Tailgater II comes with a cover. They are really awesome to take anywhere. They're made out of aluminum, powder coated, stainless steel burners. Last great Ukiah propane fire pit is the Tailgater II. Now, what's different between the Tailgater II and the X, the II or the X? The Tailgater II has something special. Light it up, you push your buttons, everything comes on. You get your phone out, you're hanging out at the campfire, and you decide you want to listen to something. And you can have a party at the camp. It has a really awesome subwoofer and two other speakers, and you can jam out with this. And everyone loves a dancer on it because of the jumping fire. If you want to check out these online, artemisoverland.com. We have them on there. The link is in the description. Pricing's all there. We ship these out daily. We'd love for you to try these out and have a great night at the camp or in your backyard, as long as it draws friends and family around it. Thanks for watching Kit Lab. Hope to see you next week. Please like and subscribe.